Hey, what's up guys, it's Kaustubh here, and today guys, as you have already seen the thumbnail and the title of this video, yes, I'm doing a crazy, you can say it's crazy, a crazy speed test comparison between the iPad mini 5 and the OnePlus Nord. So both of these devices are really extreme points in tech, like extreme comparison I should say. Like this is a full-fledged tablet, the iPad mini 5 which is running on iOS 14 and has A12 Bionic chipset inside of it, whereas this is the latest and the greatest launched in 2020, the OnePlus Nord, which is having like OxygenOS 11 right now. It's running on OxygenOS 11, and also it has the latest and greatest Snapdragon processor, not the flagship processor, Snapdragon 765G versus the A12 Bionic. So we will see as to which one is better. End of the day, I think it is all going to come to the level of optimization that we get to see on both of this. So my hopes are pretty high, and the results are going to be really close or neck and neck also. So do watch the complete video till the end so that you guys can get to know this crazy result that I might get. And guys, please do take this comparison with a pinch of salt. Just don't go crazy in the comments. Just don't kill me for doing this speed test comparison. I just had both of these devices at the moment, so I thought why not make a cool video out of it. So right now you are seeing that. So just like always guys, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below, as well as turn the notifications on so that you don't miss my upcoming videos. And with that being said, let's roll the intro and get the video started. So guys, starting with the speed test video here, I have got both of these devices. This is the iPad mini 5 here on the right side of the screen, and on the left side you can see I have got the OnePlus Nord with me. Firstly, I would like to show you is the Wi-Fi. So I have connected to the same Wi-Fi network on both of these devices, as you can see right here. After that, I will just quickly clear the recent apps. So I have cleared the iPad's recent app. On the OnePlus Nord also, there are no apps running in the background whatsoever, and we will be doing the speed test in 2 rounds. So first round will be app loading speeds, is what we will be seeing, and in the second round we will be doing a memory management round to see whether all the apps are in memory or they get reloaded. So starting with the video guys, first on the first row we have got the first app is the Twitter app. So I'll just quickly press the Twitter app on both of these devices. Okay, both of them loaded really quick, so that's a nice thing. I will just quickly keep that in memory. Going into the second app is the Feedly app. So the OnePlus Nord loaded it faster compared to the iPad mini 5 here. I will just quickly open one of the articles here and keep that in memory as well. Going on to the third app is the Facebook app here. Okay, the Nord was slightly faster, there was very little difference between both of them, so that's a nice thing. Again, I will just keep the Facebook app in memory as well. Going on to the fourth app is Google Chrome. Okay, iPad refreshed the website. Also the OnePlus Nord loaded the website here. So both of them refreshed, and now the website is loaded. So both of them were pretty close, I would say. Not a lot of difference in loading the website. Going on to the next app is Amazon Shopping. Okay, the iPad was slightly faster, like very minute difference, but then to iPad was slightly faster compared to the Nord here. We will keep that in memory as well. Going on to the next app is Instagram. Okay, Instagram has just loaded as well. I will just quickly refresh it on both of them, and we will see if it stays in memory. Going on to the next tab is YouTube. Okay, YouTube also opened pretty close, like both of them loaded it slow, fast, like there was no difference literally. That's really surprising for a 2-year-old device which was launched in 2018. Going on to the next tab is Video Shop here guys, and in here what we will be doing is basically importing a same exact video clip on both of them. So I've got the same clip on both of these devices, which is a 1080p 60 fps video file, and I will just quickly forward it a bit here and then here as well, and we will keep it ready to export, so that after the memory management round we can see which device exports it faster. So I will again keep that in memory. Going on to the last set of app, we have got a couple of games. So firstly is PUBG Mobile here. Okay, OnePlus Nord is loading it faster clearly. Okay, OnePlus Nord is already loaded, so that's really fast. And now the iPad mini 5 has loaded. Not a lot of time, like they were really close, but OnePlus Nord was a bit faster here. Going on to the next app and the final game is Mario Run here, guys. Okay, the iPad loaded Mario Run faster as well here, and then the OnePlus Nord has loaded Mario Run, so iPad was fast here as well. And finally we have got a speed test, so we will do speed test, like network speed test on both of them. So 53 Mbps is the upload speed that we are getting, and on the OnePlus Nord we are getting 52 Mbps, and download speed was better on this one compared to this. So that's the speed test app. And now that we have loaded all the apps and all of them are here running in the memory, guys, you can see all of the apps are running in memory. We will just quickly randomly open any app to see whether it is in still memory or not. Firstly, starting with the Facebook app. Okay, both of them had that app in the memory. Next app is Google Chrome. So the website didn't reload, so that's a nice thing. That means it was in memory. Going on to the next app, let's try Instagram. Okay, Instagram also didn't reload, so that was still in memory. Let's try with Twitter app. Twitter was also in memory on both of them, so that's a nice thing. Feedly was also in memory as the app didn't reload. Going on to Amazon Shopping. Amazon Shopping, as you saw, it reloaded on the OnePlus Nord. I don't know, it's an issue with the app or with the phone's optimization. Going on to the next app is the Mario Run. Okay, Mario Run slightly reloaded, or it got started. I think it got started, but it was in memory, as you saw. Going on to PUBG Mobile. PUBG Mobile is also still in memory on the iPad mini 5 here. And going on to Video Shop. So let's see, Video Shop is also in memory, guys. Going on to the speed test app. Speed test, as you saw, the speeds are still there, so that was in memory as well. So memory management wise, this one has 3 GB RAM. It is doing really good with the A12 Bionic processor that it has. And for the OnePlus Nord, it has got 8 GB RAM. This specific one, I've got the 8 GB RAM variant, and then too it is doing pretty good, other than the Amazon Shopping app which we saw. So finally, guys, ending up the speed test, I would like to quickly export a video and see which processor has more raw power. So I will just quickly click on save to gallery here, and it will start exporting the video. Okay, the OnePlus Nord is almost half there already, so it's really crushing the video rendering and video exporting part of this speed test. And the iPad is also halfway there, I would say, but OnePlus Nord is just killing it. Like, just look at it, it's just going crazy with the export process. It's really fast. It's really showing the Snapdragon 765G's raw processing power, and that is a 2020 phone, so I was expecting that result also, guys. And this is a 2018 device, the A12 Bionic. Okay, now the iPad has completed. So the OnePlus Nord completed it first, and then the iPad completed. So guys, as you saw the whole speed test comparison video, both of the iPad mini 5 here and the OnePlus Nord, both were really close. Like both were neck in neck, as I had expected, because both of these devices are really good. Even though this is a 2-year-old device, like this was launched in March 2018 with the A12 Bionic, but then too the processor is really performing absolutely stellar. Like, there is no performance drop whatsoever. It is able to keep up and perform better in some situations than a 2020 Android mid-range flagship. So that's really crazy to think about. Like, a 2-year-old Android device wouldn't be able to do such things. But nonetheless, it's all down to the optimizations, I would say. Like iOS optimization is really on point. Like, this is how optimized the UI should be. But on the Android side, I have got the OnePlus with Oxygen OS. So Oxygen OS is the best thing which Android can offer as of now in terms of UIs. So I'm pretty impressed with Oxygen OS as well. So overall, both of these devices are really good in their respective places, I should say. And talking about if you're planning to buy any one of this, you will be absolutely satisfied. You won't feel any difference in speed in day-to-day usage. Both of them are blazingly fast, no issues whatsoever. So the final result, I would say, is that it's almost a tie, close to a tie. And even though if you ask me who's the winner, then I would declare it the iPad. I would declare the iPad as the winner, because simply because of optimization, the smoothness and everything. Like, this is a 60 Hz display, and then too it is really smooth with the UI animations, whereas this is a 90 Hz display. So that's also, like, there are a lot of points, but nonetheless it's all down to your choice, like what you like. You like Android, you like iOS, so it will be your call. But nonetheless guys, this was my speed test between the iPad mini 5 and the OnePlus Nord. So if you seem to like this crazy speed test comparison guys, then do hit the like button down below, as well as guys, do let me know in the comment section down below as to what you think about this comparison. Like, did you like it or did you not, or I'm absolutely crazy for doing this sort of a comparison between a tablet and Android smartphone. But nonetheless guys, that's about it for this video. And if you have liked this video, again, please do hit the like button down below, and make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel by hitting that red subscribe button down below, because a lot of amazing videos are coming to the channel really soon. With that being said, this is your boy Kaustubh from Tech2Explore signing off. Until then, keep exploring.